Vocabulary quiz set 6.10. Some helpful hints. Remember to skip around and do the easy ones first. Cross off answers as you go. Listen to it being read out loud, and then you can always start with the back page if that's easier for you. In matching our first half, we have shrewd, document, scuffle, blunder, justify, solitary. A, to give written or printed proof. B, being alone. C, to make a foolish or careless mistake. D, to fight or struggle with. E, when you make good or wise decisions. F, to give good reasons for, explain, or to be fair or right. In the second half, we have numerous, continuous, myth, dispute, convert, misleading. G, to change from an opinion, belief, or religion to another. H, to argue, debate, or quarrel with. I, going on without a stop or break. J, to give a wrong idea, often on purpose. K, many or very many. L, an old story that explains how something came to be. On the back, we have fill in the blank. In our word bank, we have shrewd, documents, dispute, misleading, scuffle, myth, blunder, solitary, justify, numerous, converted, continuous. 1. A blank broke out during the hockey game and the players crashed into the crowd. 2. The advertisement was very blank about the price. I thought it only cost $10, but by the time I checked out, it was $23. 3. The house at the end of town has been blank for many years. 4. The police officer blank the speed of each person he pulls over. 5. The boy wanted to get a pet snake, so his parents told him to write a list to blank why he should be allowed. 6. Blank classmates came to the birthday party even though there was a snowstorm. 7. A blank broke out at the school board meeting between two parents. 8. The groom made a blank by saying the wrong vows at his wedding. 9. The brain needs a blank supply of blood. 10. Do you know the blank about Hercules? They say he was a god who slayed a lot of dragons. 11. The lawyer was very blank in the courtroom and had a lot of data to support his argument. And 12. My dad blank our garage into a hangout room.